Welcome to Pindar Poetry. We hope you learned something new.
You start now. Disable Always on Display to stop constant refresh because the OLED still updates pixels. Once done, limit the ProMotion frame rate to 60 frames per second in accessibility. This cuts GPU demand immediately. Next, enable low power mode and drag brightness down to around 50%. This reduces display and background activity. Make sure background app refresh is off for non-essential apps, so processes stop running in the background, and you'll see a clear immediate drop in consumption. Once the basics are set, tackle system services methodically. Open location services and set apps to while using or off. GPS polling is a big drain. Then switch mail from push to fetch every 15-30 minutes or to manual. Fewer network wakes means less battery use. Make auto lock 30 seconds, remove unused widgets, and disable Bluetooth and Wi-Fi when you aren't using them. Also review background app refresh per app and disable for heavy consumers. This is how you stop hidden battery drains. To finish, inspect settings battery and identify any app using excessive energy. Force close or offload that app and observe. Make sure optimized battery charging is on and your iOS is up to date. Software fixes often improve efficiency. If drain persists after these steps, restart the phone, reset all settings, or back up and restore iOS to eliminate software corruption. If hardware is suspected, check battery health. A worn battery may need replacement. If nothing helps, contact Apple for diagnostics.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.